In any organization, no matter the size, middle managers play a critical role in digital transformation and the overall establishment of business culture. I'm Kyler.cheatham, Global Marketing Director here at Third Stage Consulting Group, and today we're going to talk about why middle managers can be the catalyst to digital transformation failure. No matter the technology project you're embarking upon, we all know that executive alignment is absolutely key to success. However, we rarely talk about the role of the middle manager within a technology implementation or a software selection. In looking hard at your workforce, you want to establish really that influencer tier, which many times can be that middle manager. They are in charge of a smaller team. They really set subcultures and expectations for frontline workforce, which is why they are so critical to ensuring any sort of technology project is effectively executed. Especially in larger organizations, an employee might have a completely different experience in working for one manager as opposed to the other. The goal of a digital transformation is to engage both of those managers to establish an employee experience that is going to be effective for new technologies and embrace change. What organizations really want to be aware of is the power of that middle manager tier. To start, you want to engage that middle manager tier and empower them to understand the goals and strategies around your digital transformation project. Truly communicating that end state goal is going to make them much more motivated and clear as to the overall execution plan of your technology implementation. And when I say communicate, I just want to be clear that that is not an email. That is ongoing face-to-face interactions, trainings, and overall strategic conversations that you need to have with that middle management tier. Many times they aren't even armed with the knowledge to know how critical their specific role is to a digital transformation. Organization or digital transformation leaders need to understand what's in it for that middle manager. Will they have more opportunity for promotion? Will they be able to learn a new emerging technology? What will that new technology benefit their career, and how can they leverage that new experience to get a promotion or to gain new experience within the overall business? No matter your organizational infrastructure or design, leaders need to be clear with that middle management tier on their overall role within a digital transformation and what is in it for them as an employee as well. Middle managers really own and operate the ecosystem for success within an organization. Even looking outside of a technology implementation, say there was a new policy or procedure within the business. Again, it is their responsibility to communicate and to set expectations for their team members. Training your middle management tier and really investing the time to make them change agents will make sure that you're maximizing the business value of your spend on any software selection or technology implementation. The idea of networking in the middle management tier and creating those relationships in cross-functional business areas is going to be a huge asset to your digital transformation. Creating an ecosystem of transparency and empowering that middle management tier to work together within their peer group, within the business, is going to make sure that they can address problems together, to ensure that they're understanding the needs of their counterparts within the business and the overall experience with the new technology. This cohesive approach is going to ensure that the digital transformation is successful through metrics like user adoption or overall change management initiatives. Consider also creating a manifesto within your middle management tier that empowers them to be change agents or true leaders of a new technology frontier. You can use approaches such as servant leadership to teach middle managers that they have the power to create a really positive experience for their team that will improve not only their overall subculture, but also their own experience as an employee if this technology is embraced and leveraged. One of the key red flags that we see within our client community that might point to potential implementation failure is not embracing and understanding the power of the middle manager. I'm Kyler.Cheatham, Global Marketing Director here at Third Stage Consulting Group. For more information on potential failure points or organizational design best practices, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We put out new content every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.